All right, whenever you're ready, sir.
Hello, my name is Dr. T. I'm one of the instructors here for Foundations of A&P and midterm for these students. This student happens to be an advanced A&P called A&P for the Search Tech. Destiny and also the partner is Diamond that did the project together. What they came up with actually was a neuron that literally, again, they wired together to show that the electrical impulse down the axon, how it comes into the dendrites, into the soma, and then how they were detailed in illustration. You see the nodes of Ranvier. You see basically the dendrites extending off of that area. And this is all mechanically, electrically showing how electrical impulses go down a neuron.
My name's Kaylee. I'm in the surgical technology program. I work in urology, so I decided to do my project on the urological system. It just kind of shows how the blood starts in the renal artery, it goes into your kidneys, filters through, goes through the ureters into the bladder and out the urethra. And I did have a water bottle that went with it. It's not here, so I can't show you how it works. But
what is the title of this?
You're in Good Hands. Nice little play on words. I have a cute badge reel at work it's a urine cup that says "You're in Good Hands" with a little pea drop, and it's my favorite badge reel.
What did you get out of this whole project?
I think I learned a little bit more about the kidney, like learning about this. Because my doctors don't do a lot with the kidneys itself. It's more the male reproductive and the bladder issues. So I learned a lot about the kidneys itself, which was cool. Like I wanted to do one of them as the internal, because I learned about the internal workings of the kidney. So I think that's what I got out of it, was learning more about the kidney.
Outstanding.
My name is Lena. I am a certified surgical technologist, and I have completed a project here of the facial muscles. This project has taken me many hours of work, such intricate detail, many dollars in supplies, and I'm very proud of the product that I have.
And it's called the
facial muscles. I think it really doesn't matter which place I won. I think the word winning is important, and the fact that I won. You know, numbers, that's all at the end. We don't really look at that part.